Hi friends! Today we're making a birthday surprise card that's super fun. First, take your paper and fold it in half, just like this. This fold is the secret to hiding our surprise inside. On the outside of the card, let's draw a big gift box. This will look just like a wrapped present. Add a pretty ribbon and a cute bow on top. You can make stripes, zigzags, or even write happy birthday on the front. What design would you choose? Let's color it in with bright, cheerful colors blue and yellow. Birthdays are always full of color. Okay, now comes the fun part. Let's open the card and see what's inside. I'm drawing balloons floating up in the air. Which balloon shape is your favorite? If you enjoyed this, please like. Subscribe to @King Kids Art. And share this video with someone who has a birthday soon. What message would you write inside? This card is perfect for mom, dad, a friend, or anyone special. Handmade gifts always mean the most. From the outside, it looks like a gift box, but when you open, it's a surprise. Balloons and confetti. How fun is that? Next, I'm adding confetti all around. Just little dots, sprinkles, and colorful shapes falling everywhere. And we're done! Tell me in the comments who would you give this birthday surprise card to.